In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Hostinger and manage your files with SRV 1982 files, hstgr.io. This guide is intended to be straightforward and approachable, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the Hostinger website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Hostinger's hpanel at hpanel.hostinger.com. This is the central hub for all your website management needs. Once you're there, you'll find an organized dashboard that provides quick access to all your hosting tools. Now, let's move on to the Websites section. On the hPanel landing page, keep an eye out for the Websites tab. Clicking on this will reveal a list of all the websites you manage under your Hostinger account. It's a handy overview and the perfect starting point for our task today. The next step is to head over to the dashboard of your chosen website. In this video, we'll be focusing on accessing files for a specific site. Look for the website you're interested in and select Dashboard from the menu. The dashboard is where you can access a wealth of information about your site's performance and settings. Once you're in the dashboard, you want to focus on the files of your website. Locate and click on the Files button. This action will bring you to an area dedicated to managing your site's files, which is crucial for transferring or modifying file content effectively. From there, the next click should be on File Manager. This is a pivotal tool within Hostinger. It's where the nuts and bolts of your website reside, and it's user-friendly, so you can effortlessly manage various files and folders without needing complex technical know-how. After you enter the File Manager, you'll see a section directly associated with your website. For example, Seashell Loris A395. Hostingersite.com. Locate and select the option that says Access Files of, followed by your website name. This will open up the file directory for your specific site, providing you with a granular look at the files that construct your online presence. Now let's focus on downloading files. Navigate to SRV 1982 files, hstgr.io. Upon reaching this location, you should find a button labeled File Download. A simple click here will queue up your file for download. And finally, wrap it all up by selecting Download Files. This step ensures you've successfully begun the download process for your site's files. The content will now be stored locally on your device, where you can conduct further review or modifications as necessary. Following these structured steps allows you to manage your website effectively through Hostinger and handle downloads with SRV 1982 files, hstgr.io, providing you control over your site's files and their maintenance. Remember, a meticulous approach to file management can enhance your website's performance and security, making these skills invaluable for maintaining a strong online presence.